In this video, we're going to add an estimate. So create a new file. We can give it a name. And we're going to synchronize with the cloud at the very start of the job. And there's a separate video to talk about synchronizing you may have already seen. We can put a GIFer, we can put a building type, a tender number, approximate value, etc., into the bill. And then we can decide on the contract sum analysis structure for our bill. So in our case here, we're going to import a bill of quantities from elsewhere. So we're going to take a 3-layer structure, and we're going to come back and fill this information in when we have more detail. It's asking me where I want to put the information in the cloud. So I'm just going to accept that. I'm going to call it a new job. I'm going to synchronize it with the cloud. My job's ready to start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and import some content. So we have up here an option to import an estimate file. We're going to bring in an EBQ file. We're going to check the content of the EBQ to make sure that it looks like a bill and we've got all the columns in the appropriate places. And we're going to, over here, we're going to put our information into here. So into this bill, transfer 112, which we know is floor finishes. So we could at this point rename it to floor finishes, or we can transfer it and we can rename it to floor finishes over here. We'll get rid of that one because that's just the dummy template when we have a totally new job. So now we're ready to go. We've created a job, we've imported some content. We now have 114 items, 44 of which are ready to price.